so he buy me nice things. I fiend, bigger bling, only register ka-ching. Too high, too fly, when they look up at the sky.
Hey guys, I actually have a fun video idea for once, and it's gonna involve a review. Now, the other day I was online, after all the drama happened with like the James Charles Tati thing, I decided that it would be fun to try her pills because that seemed what most of the fight was about, to see if they're actually good. So I actually got the box right here. I'm not going to show you the top of it because it has my address. And this is what it looks like when you open it. And inside, I just got the 1 pill pack. And I think it's, 30 days. And that's what that looks like. And this is what the container looks like. It's very pretty packaging. So I actually have been taking it for like 2 or 3 days now because I lost the footage to my opening from the other day. I don't know what happened to it, but I still have the footage of me showing my skin from then. So I'm not going to zoom in on my skin now. I'm wearing the same t-shirt in the video I'm wearing the same t-shirt that I was in the other video. So it's kind of authentic. I don't notice anything major. Like, I do have a pimple here, and oh, this one's pretty much gone. And here, but that's just because I got my little period the other day, so I don't think that's like a testament to how these pills work. Anyways, I'll just cut to the footage of me showing you guys my skin, what it looked like a few days ago. And I'll see you guys on, I don't know when I started taking these pills. I think that this is going to be my 4th day taking them once I take it. So, see you again in 3 days. Bye. Lights a bit so you can see. Like, okay, that's just a couple pimples up there, but like on my cheeks, you can see I have like blotchiness. This side too, I get a lot of blotchiness on my skin. Just a lot of like red pigmentation. So I'm hoping that that fixes this. Oh yeah, sorry for my messy hair too. So I think that's all I have to say about it for now. This is my 1 week update on my Tati pill endeavor. I think I started on June 3rd and today is the 10th. So I should be taking my 8th pill today. I just want to take my 7th pill and then show you guys like my skin and everything and how I think it looks. So to start, I don't know when there's any like significant changes. Oh, sorry, there's a booger in my eye. I just woke up. I'm getting ready for work, and that's why my hair is like so crazy, and I look dead. Like, I think that my skin looks a little bit brighter, but I don't know if I notice. Here, I'll zoom in. Maybe a little too close. I don't know if I notice any like major differences. Yeah, I think that it just brightened my skin. Like, my pimples are gone because I'm not on my period anymore. Like, you can see I had a pimple here and here and here. This one, they're all just leaving now. This one might turn into a scar. But, like, yeah, my skin doesn't look too much different. I have one crease here that's really bad, so I'll see if that goes away at the end of the month. Like, it has only been a week, so, like, it has only been a week, so I'm not worried about it. Obviously, there's not going to be any significant changes in a week. But I do think that my skin looks a little bit brighter. Maybe redness has gone down. You guys let me know. I'll dim the brightness just a bit so you can get like really good view of my skin. Does that work? Dimmer? Oh no, I think that's pretty good. Like, you can see up here. I think that's my birthmark though, so that's not gonna go away. Like, all this redness. Like, I don't have acne scars. I've never really had acne. It's just like red pigmentation on my skin, really. And then on this side too. I don't think I have much up here other than like a few pimples that I've had over the past month or two. You guys let me know down below, like, if you see any significant changes or not. Obviously, it's only been a week. I'm not expecting there to be a lot. But at the end of the month, I'm hoping that at least maybe this line is starting to dim a little bit and my pigmentation isn't as bad. I might try for 3 months, because apparently 3 months is like when you notice big changes. So I might buy another pill set and let you guys know in 2 months after this month if anything has changed or if I notice anything. So yeah, I'll see you guys again in a week with my 2-week update, and maybe we'll notice some bigger changes. I am back. Oh, sorry, YouTube video is playing in the background. I'm back again. This is the Tati update week 2. Week 2. I actually forgot to do it on the 14th day, so this is actually, there's only 10 more pills. So whatever that means, there's only 10 more pills. I'm not gonna take one in this video just because it's daytime and I'm getting ready for work in a minute. But I just wanted to show you a close-up of my skin and see if there's any differences. But honestly, I have a pimple. This one is the one from, I think, the first week. I just like, I don't know, I have a scar or something. It'll go away eventually. But like, yeah, I got a pimple. I don't blame that on Tati's product, maybe just because of the way I'm eating. But like, I don't know, I don't think my skin looks different. Like, I think my pores actually look bigger than before. I don't know. I mean, you can't really judge a skincare product in a month anyways, or 2 weeks for that matter. But there should be subtle differences. I don't know if I see any. Like, I don't see any redness gone. I don't see like any bumpiness gone. My pores don't look, actually they look kind of bigger to me. I don't know. I guess I'll just be back in a couple weeks. Honestly, I wear this shirt in every single video. It's just like literally my favorite shirt on earth. It's so comfy. I'll see you guys again. I'm just gonna do the last week update instead of doing 3 weeks. So I'll do the first week update, the second week update, and then at the very end of the month I'll finish all the updates. But yeah, we have 10 more pills, 10 more days. See you then. We are back again today for our last update for the Tati pills. I took my last one yesterday. See, all empty. So I'm gonna just give you an update on my skin. I was just outside, so I'm a little sweaty right now. But I think overall it didn't do too much. But like I said in one of my other updates, that you can't really judge a skincare product in a month. It usually takes about 3 months for you to start like noticing big differences. But I also stated that you should see like subtle differences, like your skin shouldn't be as red if that's what it claims to do. And like just overall your skin should look a teensy bit better. I don't expect it to be like complete change overnight. But I don't really see anything different. I've heard really good reviews about the skin, hair, and nails one. But for the Kiwi booster, honestly, I don't see a difference at all. Like, maybe my skin's a little less pink, but I don't see it. I don't really judge pimples or anything like that because that has nothing to do with the pills. But, like, my skin overall just doesn't look any different to me. I'll zoom in so you guys can get, like, a really closer look. And I'll input, like, pictures from before and after, like, over here. I'll put, like, some couple pictures of my skin. But I don't know if you guys can even see a difference at all. I don't know. Yeah, I wouldn't recommend these ones, but like I said, I have seen raving reviews about the pink ones. Maybe it's just these ones that don't work that good. I'll let you guys be the final judge and let me know. I'm very sweaty. I'm so sorry. I can't turn on AC while I record. So I'll see you guys on my next video, I guess. Yeah, I'm kind of disappointed because they're pretty expensive. I mean, any supplement is really expensive. And if you want to see differences, I don't know if this would be the one. Like, a lot of people use these for acne scars and stuff like that, but like even my acne scar here that I had a month ago, still not gone at all. I don't know. You guys be the judge. Let me know down below what you guys think. I don't like it. I'll see you guys next week.
기억나?